Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook Messenger purple.meta AI not showing problem or purple.meta AI not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Messenger app. You can follow all 3 steps to fix Facebook Messenger purple.meta AI not showing problem solve or purple.meta AI not working problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.